Good morning, everybody.
It's a vine.
Did they grow on vines? I don't know. We're here to wash out another shirt for you. We're discussing whether or not watermelons grow on vines. I thought they grew in the ground. Maybe a vine in the ground? I don't know. We used to grow watermelons too. That makes it even more sad, but it's been like 20-something years. I do remember my dad tricking us one day, saying that he was going to show us a watermelon that only had seeds on one side, this one glorious watermelon, and he drove us out there to the very end of the field, and he like looked around, and he pulled a couple up, he's like, no, not this one, no, not this one, this one. He carried it over, set it on the tailgate, cut it right down the middle, and said, looky there, it's only got seeds on the inside. Get it? Only on one side, only on the inside. Not funny at all. I know. I didn't think it was funny then. Still don't think it's funny now. I was pretty pissed. Wasted like 20 minutes of our time just to show me a regular watermelon and make me feel stupid.
I bet your dad got a chuckle out of that.
What can you say? It is a watermelon that only had seeds on one side. They were only on the inside. I didn't see a single seed on the outside of that watermelon. Drop a comment below if y'all have heard that one before. Because it sure fooled me at like 7, 8 years old. To the inside?
To the inside.
Getting it unbanded. I'm very interested to see how this one turns out. This is her. It's a combination of our brainchild. This is her colorway on my design, my pattern. And we'll see what we get.
This was my brainchild of color.
Yeah, your color scheme on my pattern. But I like that color scheme, so I'm thinking this is going to turn out pretty good. We're hoping. This is a pleated spiral. A pleated spiral. Let's see what we got.
So far, so good.
Yeah. Check the lens before we pull it up. We're good. What we got? Ooh, okay, that's pretty cool. Look at that.
Still a cool pattern.
Still a cool pattern.
Not as neat as I thought it was gonna be.
Maybe not, but it's still really cool.
Still really cool, yeah.
But it does look more like just a horizontal pleat, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we know we gotta draw in certain designs on the wedges. Otherwise it'll just come out like that. Okay, I see. I see how this happened. But now we know. Now we know.
Yeah.
We need to do the next one in a ring pattern. You know what I mean?
Okay.
That way it'll go all the way around the shirt instead of just in that one area. But it's still really cool.
Yeah.
Hulky. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, it came out pretty good, not too bad. Definitely could have been a little better. We didn't think about it when we were first dyeing it, how the pattern would turn out. But because we just dyed straight wedges, it just left a straight pattern. But it's still a very, very cool shirt. Definitely some cool pattern onto the sleeves, same with the back side. But yeah, next one we do, we're gonna dye in a ring pattern so that it puts almost like a spiral type effect on it, as sort of a curvature to it. But yeah, definitely gonna try another one with some different colors. So let us know what y'all think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.